Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover example 5, prove that root 3 is irrational. The proof technique we will use is given will be the statement, we will assume statement is false, then we will try to prove that our assumption is false and hence the given statement is true. So let us start the proof. The statement is root 3 is irrational. We will assume that root 3 is rational. Now, if the root 3 is rational, then we can represent root 3 equals to P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equals to 0. Suppose P and Q has some common factor then we divide P and Q by common factor to get root 3 equals to A by B, where A and B are co-prime. And A and B are integers and B is not equals to 0. Now what we will do is send B into a numerator, square both sides, squaring both sides we will get 3b square equals to a square. If we see here, 3 divides a square, so 3 is the factor of a square. By theorem, we can say that 3 is also the factor of a. Now because 3 is the factor of a, I can write a equals to 3 into some another constant let's say C, where C is integer. Now if I put A equals to 3 into C in this equation, that is 3b square equals to a square. 3b square equals to a square. A equals to 3 into C whole square, that is equals to 3 square is 9 C square. Divide both the sides by 3, you will get b square equals to 3 C square. Now here 3 divides b square, so I can write 3 is also the factor of b square. 3 is factor of b square, and by theorem 3 is also factor of b. Now 3 is factor of a and b both, but this contradicts the fact that a and b are co-prime, and hence we can say assumption that is root 3 is rational is false, and the statement root 3 is irrational is true. In next lecture we will cover example 6. Thank you.